Good afternoon, my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, thank you again for visiting and hanging out with me. I think that about 3 weeks ago, I made this bold statement that I was not going to buy any more diamond paintings because I had like 9 kits already, 9 canvases already kitted up. I have 2 that I'm working on that are Christmas gifts, and 1 that is a Christmas in July that should be finished in just a day or 2. Well, it's not my fault. I just want to say that up front. It is not my fault. I went to JoAnn's today, so it's JoAnn's fault. I went to the mall to do something else, and the store was closed, and I was just like, bleh. So I thought, okay, I am just going to go to JoAnn's and just peek. Because really, okay, I think I told you that the store is moving to a larger larger building. And so they're getting rid of, I guess, their inventory so they don't have to take all of that with them. Everything in the store right now is 40 to 60% off. And I think at the time the first time I went, it was like 20 to 40% off. And so I thought, oh, I am just going to look. That's all I'm going to do. That's it. Well, I should have never went in there. But in my defense, and I'm going to show the canvas last, I found one of these. Now this is a, oh, when I threw away the name of it, I think it was like a haze tray, and I am not 100%. It's actually trays for assorted beads. This was originally $39.99, and I got it for $23.99. So I have been wanting one of these forever because I've seen other people with them, and I know that they're very expensive. So this is a 42 tray, 42 kit assortment. And so you have like 3 of these really large ones, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 kind of medium-sized ones, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And these are a little smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 small ones. So I'm so excited to get it started. Just to kit up a new kit. So this is really great. And I was just like, oh my God. And I thought, you know what? I'm not going to go back quickly, but I think in another week or 2, if they have not sold out, or if they haven't moved yet, I may go back, because I think there was one that was 42, and then there was another one, I believe it was 72, and I should have went ahead and got them both, but I didn't. So if it is still there, I am going to get that. So it's really great. I hope that, you know, opening these, you know, continuously, that this doesn't bend, that they don't break off. And see, these would be perfect for, especially like your, these would be perfect especially for like your 310s, or any kind of that has multiple colors. These would be great for something like that. So this, if nothing else, I should be redeemed for going back on my word and buying stuff. And I said I wasn't buying more kits. Accessories, you know, that's an entirely different animal. But anyway, so again, Originally $39, got it for $23.99, so it was 40% off. And then I just picked up a couple of more drills, and these are diamond dots, and a purple. I just was like going through thinking what color I use the most. That, you know, so I got purple and a gray, and these are just rounds and regular. These were, oh, I'm not really bright. These were $1.90, originally $1.99, and I'm spilling them everywhere. And I got these for $1.19. And I should have asked when their last day was going to be, but I didn't. And then I would have known. So again, so this is just a gray. Because I honestly like doing the rounds a lot better. So, alright, so I got a hanger-oner drill here. So I got those. So just two drills in my storage here. Alright, so here is the thing that I lied about. And I know that Diamond Painting with Sweet Pea, that she got this as well, because I saw her opening. She did an unboxing of this on her channel about a month ago, I believe. So it's the peanuts, and this is diamond dots. And it was originally $29.99. I paid $17.99 for it. So I guess you can't, that's not bad. Not bad, not bad. And this is a partial, if I am not mistaken, but we're gonna open it here. I hope everybody is having a great day. Today is Sunday, and it is hot, 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 hot. But I am not complaining, because I hate winter so bad. So bad. All right. So you get this large instruction on how to diamond paint, and it is in like 2 or 3 different languages. So that is something if you want to read through all of that. And here are the drills. And this is a round. I did look at some of the, they did still have some diamond art canvases. Nothing that just really stood out to me, so I didn't get anything. Not of a diamond art. So here you get your standard toolkit. And I'm going to get this out. So I guess they're not coming, you know, they used to come in like, you got like 2 or 3 of them, and now you're just getting just 1. All right. Oops. Here, I need to put it inside, not outside. So, wax, a boat, a little squishy, a pen, and you do get some baggies. And then here are our drills. Okay, so we have like a really pretty yellow, a black, kind of a reddish brown, pink, beige, kind of light blue, kind of almost like a red, peach red, dark blue, and white. So it's got, looks like 9 colors. All right. And like I said, I don't know. Right. So it's just 9 colors. This, and like I said, this is a partial. Let me see if I can get it. And again, I paid $17.99 for a canvas that was $29.99. Okay, so it's cute. I told my daughter, I said, this is going to go to your daycare. And she's really excited. So, it's just, oh, excuse me, the peanut game that you're doing your drills on. Everything else is not sticky. So it's pretty good stick. The color of the canvases, I mean, it looks fairly clear. Now down here, like this is where Lucy's, I think that this is like her baseball mitt. It looks pretty pixelated right in here. And that is the up arrow. And there's no well, I mean, there's no like thumbnail on here. And then Woodstock, I don't know. Woodstock looks kind of pixelated too. And I guess this is Woodstock's friend. Okay. So definitely need to put this under something to kind of flatten it out a little bit more. I'm doing the Diamond Grandma's. She really manhandles those canvases. So this is a 45.72 by 25.4, which is 18 by 10. Okay, so that's not bad. 9 colors. 9 colors. It's not bad. So I have. And it does, you know, even looking at it in the camera, it looks so much better in the camera than it does just looking, because the color looks really dark. So we'll see. We'll see. This is something that I will work on later. It won't be something that I will get to. I probably won't even get it up until after I get the other 9 that I said I was going to do. So, recapping. These came from JoAnn. This was $29.99. 40% off on all of these all of these together. So I paid $17.99, and it's a 9 colors, and it is a round. These were $1.99 each. Just regular drills, diamond dot drills. I paid $1.19 for each of these, and this is really what I'm the most excited about. This was $39.99, and I got it for $23.99. 42 compartments, individual departments. Okay, alrighty. So that is the end of my video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. if you are interested in joining my little family, please hit the subscription button. Also hit that little bell to be notified anytime that I put up a new video. Thank you again for hanging out with me this long. Please be kind to one another, and please stay cool in this hot weather. So keep cool and keep crafting. Bye guys.